Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file and its path. Open a terminal and list the directory to prove the file is present. Once done, make sure your process user can read it. Fix permissions with chmod or chown as needed. Also check environment variables that point to configuration locations. If an app uses config path, export or set it to the full path. These first steps remove the most common causes before deeper debugging. You now inspect the file content and application settings to find mismatches. Use a JSON or YAML linter to catch syntax errors, because a missing brace silently causes a not specified error. Once validated, compare keys to the sample or default config, rename or add missing entries. Then review startup flags and CLI options. Some apps ignore files unless you pass config/path/ to /file. Make changes and restart to apply. You finish by restarting the application and watching the logs for direct clues. Search for lines mentioning configuration or file paths. If errors persist, try starting with a minimal working config and incrementally add entries so you isolate the problematic section. Make sure to enable verbose or debug logging if available, because it will reveal why the file was ignored. If nothing helps, recheck permissions and environment variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.